Grid clamps describe a type of clamp designed to clamp down on pipe. Grid clamps come in a wide variety of flavors. Some come with a knob tie down or a nut. Big bends have a junior pin and can be used for setting up a goalpost. Baby bends have a baby pin and can be used to hang a light or set up a goalpost. A 90-degree grid clamp connects two pieces of pipe at a 90-degree angle. A cheese burrow connects two pieces of pipe. It swivels to create whatever angle you want. A junior receiver allows hanging a light with a junior pin. Here's how to set up a goalpost. Use a junior grid clamp or a baby grid clamp to secure the pipe to the stands, such as highboys. Then loosen the knobs and open the jaws. Place the pipe in each clamp. Leave some space in between the end of the pipe and the clamp. Close the jaw and tighten down. Don't forget to add a sandbag. When moving or setting up a goalpost, leave one riser loose so the goalpost won't torque the stands.